Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about definite integrals. A definite integral is an integral expressed as the difference between the values of the integral at specified upper and lower limits of the independent variable. As before, we taught you about basic integration without the first to end values. It was considered as indefinite integral. Now we have to apply first to end values. You wish that dx was differentiable as seen from the basic integral. We put a as a starting point, and b as the ending point. Thus, we get x, but with limits applied a and b, you did not have to put c as a constant. That means, you'll get b minus a. In this graph, we'd like to plot as an example. Let's take f of x be x squared, and another f of x be a diagonal line, say 2 plus x. We see a parabola and a diagonal line. The diagonal line 2 plus x is now intersecting the parabola. There are two endpoints which now meeting together. Beginning point is x equals minus 1, and the end point x equals 2. So now we write, definite integral x squared dx, ranging from minus 1 to 2. We can now write x cubed by 3, and applying limits outside the parenthesis, minus 1 to 2. Then all you have to do is to subtract it from 2, and then to minus 1. On solving them, we get 3 square units. You will notice that area cannot be negative. You will see a shaded portion area, in which you have obtained. Similarly, you can try this question, e to the exponent x dx ranging from 0 to 2, and log x dx ranging from 1 to 10. We'll find out the answer, once you have solved. Please stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.